Hi lovely friends. In this video I'll show you 2 easy ways to repair your Duolingo streak in 2025 full guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Duolingo only offers the streak repair option for 24 to 48 hours after you miss a day. If more time has passed, the option disappears automatically. So what can you do now? Option 1 is contact Duolingo support to restore your streak. Especially if you had a long streak, you can request Duolingo support to restore it. Go to https://support.duolingo.com. Scroll all the way down and click on the Send Feedback button. Enter the email address linked to your Duolingo account. In the subject field, you can write Repair Streak. In the description box, type this message carefully. Hi, Duolingo Team. I recently lost my streak, and I did not get the Repair Your Streak option on my home screen. I would really appreciate it if you could help restore it. Thank you. You can copy and paste this sentence in the description. Under type of issue, you can choose either bug report, other bug, report abuse. Any of these should work. Attachment means you can upload a screenshot or file to support your request. It helps explain your issue better, but it's optional. Finally, click Submit. Option 2 is if support is unable to restore your streak. Don't worry, you can start fresh. Buy a streak freeze in advance from the shop. Set a daily reminder or notification so you don't forget to practice. If you face any issues, feel free to comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.